Right, let's get going. First, we're gonna start with the upper, then into lower, then into obliques. So each section is around 7 exercises. So as we're gonna do with the upper, we're gonna start with the regular crunches, with basically the easiest one. Right, we're gonna get 4 seconds and we're good to go. Nice and easy, controlled. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Very important when you do ab exercises, actually any exercises, control, give me that control, squeeze all the way up and exhale. Breathing is very, very, very important. Right, 15 seconds to go. Squeeze, squeeze, nice. Lovely, stay with me, a few more seconds. That's it, good.
Next, plank knee-ins. In a low plank position, one knee out to the side, then the other. Check the hips are tilted forward. Slight crunch in the abs to keep the hips in position. Ready? Lock the abs and go. One knee up to the elbow, then the other. This is a great all-round exercise for abs, obliques, and core. Concentrate on keeping the abs locked, hips tilted forward. Ten more seconds. And rest. Next, it's a V-sit hold. Legs raised, arms forward, hold position. Using that breathing technique we've showed you. In position, lock the abs and go. Knees up, chest up, shoulders back, arms out in front of you. Abdominal muscles keeping the body in that V shape. Keep breathing, abs locked. If you want to challenge yourself even more, try pushing the feet together. Few more breaths. Okay, rest. Next, it's toe touches. Legs raised, hips off the floor, reaching up to touch the toes. Raise the legs, lock the abs, and go. Breathing out as you reach up. Lower back flat to the floor. Instead of thinking about what your arms are doing, concentrate on the abs. Lower abs, keeping the hips tilted forward. Upper abs, pulling the shoulders up. Focus on lengthening and shortening the abdominal muscles. Few more seconds. And rest. Next, a Russian twist. It's a V position, feet raised, this time adding a twist. In position, lock the abs, and go. Feet off the floor, twisting from the shoulders. Chest high, shoulder towards opposite knee. Mind-muscle connection. Don't focus on the twist. Focus on the abs, keeping the lower body in position. Really feeling that squeeze. Few more seconds. And rest. Next, it's a side plank hip raise. One side, then the other. 20 seconds each side. Resting on one elbow. Lock the abs and go. Raising and lowering the hips. Abs engaged the whole time. Changing in 5 seconds. And change. Keeping the abs and core engaged. Deep breaths. Few more seconds. And rest. Next, ankle touches. On your back, feet flat to the floor. Reaching for one ankle, then the other. So, down into position. Lock the abs and go. Lower back flat to the floor. Again, the movement is side to side, but focus on the job your abs are doing, keeping the upper body curled, shoulders off the floor. Feeling that squeeze. Steady breaths. And rest.